Good afternoon and a warm welcome to everyone present here. We are delighted to have you all for the launch of Myntra Fashion Weekend. 15 years ago, in the year 2000, IMG introduced to India the concept of Fashion Week, and that revolutionized the Indian fashion scenario. A Fashion Week showcases the best of designers to fashion industry professionals and to worldwide buyers across and stores. With Indian consumers evolving and becoming more discerning and adopting and lapping fast fashion, we believe that the time is now right for us to introduce another format, which is a fashion weekend, which has the end buyer, which is the consumer at its core. So Myntra India Fashion Weekend is a consumer ticketed shopping event, which is a successful format internationally, IMG's successful format. We do it in Zurich, Sydney, and London. So we are bringing it to India along with Myntra.com, which is India's largest online fashion store. The Myntra Fashion Weekend is scheduled at Hotel Palladium from 3rd to 5th, and it is going to be India's largest and biggest showcase of fashion to the consumers. First time, Indian consumers will buy tickets to attend this fashion event where shopping is at the core of the event. Myntra Fashion Weekend is your chance, it is your ticket to trends, it is your opportunity to engage and interact and get first-hand insider information on India's fashion industry and interact with leading designers and brands. You can expect designer shopping, catwalk shows, beauty makeovers, style advice, live presentations, and much more. A key highlight of the Myntra Fashion Weekend will be the Vogue Fest, where Vogue is curating the designer shopping area, and they will present the best of Indian fashion to a consumer-centric format and encouraging us to make it bigger and better in the first edition itself. So on behalf of IMG Reliance, I would like to welcome you all to this world of shopping, runway, beauty and style, which is the Myntra Fashion Weekend. Thank you.